Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch the battery in Insta360 Ace Pro 2. To switch to a replacement battery, take your battery, make sure to take this foil off, and then open the battery lid. To do it, you need to press on this button, then slide the lid out like that, and you can open it now. Now hold here and take the battery off, and now you can put another one in. Make sure to align the pins correctly, and now the other battery is in, and I'm gonna switch back actually. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.